Okay, students, today's topic, as I already shared, we are going to discuss the different types of entrepreneurs and their characteristics, why we call them as an entrepreneur. Even though some of them are not ready to take risk, we used to call them as an entrepreneur in those days. But now it is entirely different. Risk taking is very important thing. Even though you are now taking a right risk, I am taking right risk in right direction. I already told you, you are having your lunch and seeing the phone or by the laptop. It is also risk taking. You are ready to take the risk and having your lunch nicely. So risk taking is core aim in case of classifying the entrepreneurs once upon a time. But now everything changed. Our laws are entirely different, and we used to have a different meaning for entrepreneurs nowadays. Okay, so that is our discussion today. Before going to the discussion, let us see the reflections from the blog, how you have responded, and your marks for the activity is based upon the blog. Few students are only responding to the blog. Remember that you can mention your name when you are answering the questions in the blog, and you can also post a discussion. Your seniors are also there, and two entrepreneurs, one from Bangalore, another from Pune, is also in our blog. They are also seeing the blog. So make the blog interesting for you. So after the discussion in the last session, we used to discuss the concept. What is your vision? What is your innovative idea? What are your main strength in implementing the innovative idea? Then your entrepreneurial values. Because we discussed the two nice case studies, one from the Dosawala, another from how two Bansals created the Flipkart, how they empowered their own employees and make others a billionaire. That was the interesting story we discussed. That is why, based upon that discussion, I put forth these questions in the blog. Nice answers. Of course, first answer is from unknown. I don't know who is that person. He tried to answer nicely. According to him, he mentioned to help out small business. His answer is like that. So he's having some dream to have a system whereby small business can benefit. I think Ivan mentioned like that. Ivan answer is like that. She decided to go for the small business, but she is not mentioning what is the business. I hope after the completion of the class or after the completion of the course, she will identify what will be the business. I like that of second point. I have a system whereby small business can benefit. That I like very much. Whether I will like or not, I like that one. Because according to her, she mentioned clearly that she is following a system. See that one. Instead of mentioning the answer correctly, she decided to have some ideas she is not ready to disclose to others. That is the business secret. Since we are living in the competitive world, Ivan is having some secret. She is maintaining that one as the suspense. Of course, she declared as an nice thing, a system she is following. That is why I like that point. Then, as usual, she mentioned determined to achieve the success, honesty and determination. Then Anisha mentioned my vision is to establish business which empowers women, maybe self-help group like that. Anisha, you are there, and she is yet to plan. Also, she is not ready to disclose what she is going to do. Then yeah, her value is sense of responsibility and focused. She mentioned that she is going to focus in the same direction, maybe based upon the Bansal's case study, how the Flipkart has been created and how it has been sold out. The responsibility. If you are responsible for your subordinates, then you are able to succeed. That usually the leadership theory used to tell same thing. Another person, unknown person, I don't know. That one, he is ready to commence his own clothing line. A new concept in his mind, in his or in her mind. Clothing line, I think maybe like a tailor shop, he used to have a new method like that. I visited one big R&D department of Reliance Trends in Navi Mumbai. I've seen different type of dresses they are identifying to different segments of people. Likewise, he mentioned as the own clothing line. He wished to convert her or his dream. And you can see, second point, influencer marketing. He is going to influence others. That is the present trend. How to create the influencer and market with the help of influencer. That means he has to study almost all the products and influence others. Then another thing, Vikas Yadav, he also mentioned to help the startups. So empowering the empowered persons, finding opportunities and implementation, nice one. Then coming to the another unknown person, own handcraft business. That is a nice thing. Who is that person? Whether he is there? Who mentioned that one?
It's me, sir, Yamini.
Yamini, very good Yamini. What type of handcraft you are engaged in? You are doing
Sir,
some work?
I already have a craft page in on Instagram that is Nia Crafts. That's me and my friend are owning that. We'll
Good.
be doing
Hmm.
customized crafts, like girl stuffs and dream catchers, some
Hmm.
craft work with that.
Very good. That I like that one. See that one according to Yamini, she is already having the dream. She already enforced that dream. And she also mentioned that customized and unique one. She decided to identify the customer and he used to give the customized product, not standardized product. Each and every person is having a different mindset. How to achieve the goals. If you are able to customize for them, then only we are able to achieve. That's what she has mentioned. Nice answer. Hariharan answer. He mentioned about his futuristic one, establishing a food chain totally different during the time. Maybe his dream is creating a new type of restaurants. Few years back, and when I visited the Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, they used to say that in one of the restaurants, we are using robots. The robots will serve you. I worried how the robots will serve in the hotel. Then I visited the hotel. They created some robots. It is coming to near and they are bringing the products nearby. That's all. Then I think, in case of Jayanagar in Bangalore, in last year, they created a robo with restaurants. Likewise, Hariharan aim is having something different in his mind. What, Hariharan? Are you ready to disclose your secret of success in totally different during that time? What do you mean by that one? Hari? I think Hari is having a lunch. By taking the lunch, he is thinking what will be the new plan. Good. And he also mentioned that he is having the attitude and passion. That is the nice one. Another person, once again, the unknown person makes clearly that empowering the farmers, make farmers' life easy, reduce the risk of price fluctuation. See that what? Your vision is clearly reflected. And also he mentioned as an Indian. I don't know who is that person. Who is that person? Whether he is here? Come on. Make farmers' life easy. Who mentioned that one? Why? No, you are not ready to disclose your name. Your answer is 101% good. How Indian entrepreneurs are creating the value. That's what he mentioned. Based upon that discussion, you must know what are all the traits an entrepreneur needs. I posted few answers only. What Ivan mentioned, Anisha mentioned, Yamini mentioned, Yadav mentioned, Hari mentioned, all are correct. Each and every person's identified nicely one of the important traits of the entrepreneur. And they believe that they are also having that one. You can see the further answers. Trini Cynthia, he mentioned never to give up attitude. And he mentioned that products that are eco-friendly, sustainable marketing. So entrepreneurs has to think about the sustainability. And she used to mention that raw materials available in our own land, how she is going to convert her own land into a greenery thing and making sustainable to others. I think she is much impressed about the SDG goals of United Nations. Vignesh, very good. Vignesh, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. You can see the Vignesh determined mind. I'm telling Vignesh, determined mind. He clearly mentioned about the terrace gardening. And he also mentioned that after this COVID, I think so, I gone through the terrace gardening after the Vignesh post. In case of Bangalore, during the COVID period, they created a nice concept. That is the innovation idea. And he also mentioned that they can have the healthy foods which can be planted in their own house. And he is going to empower the people with such type of new innovative ideas, making people to answerable in this present world. He is taking the risk of a challenging job. How we can create a challenge. That's what we discussed the example of first case as the dosa wala. What is the challenge she has taken to introduce the different type of dosa, Mexican dosa, etc. Likewise, our Vignesh is having a new determined mind. He used to mention clearly terrace gardening. What type of skill he is having, I wondered. What is the trait Vignesh is having? You can see he clearly mentioned his trait in a different manner, target all the family members. That means his trait is straightforward. His aim is clearly mentioning about who are all their customers, who are all the family members Vignesh is going to target directly. And he also mentioned that safe and healthy foods. See that one, some integrated one, very challenging one. The operational problems are there, but his vision to achieve that one, we have to appreciate. That is the entrepreneurial traits you must know. Vignesh, whether you are now doing that one terrace gardening?
No, sir. Only flowers that I'm doing now, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, you can
Thank you.
improve your values. Nice one from the Vignesh. Then Venkata Durga Prasad, he also mentioned that one. I like that one. He mentioned that gaining knowledge regarding the field, startup and clothing line. Once again, two persons are ready to mention about the clothing line. That is the retailing thing. He decided to Venkata Durga Prasad is ready to move towards the new market in retail business. And he also ready to believe himself. That is very important. You have to believe yourself. That is the another entrepreneurial traits you must know. So this is a new thing he mentioned. You can see myself, he mentioned. Then he also ends with belief in myself. You have to believe yourself. That is the core entrepreneurial values you should have. That is the nice traits. Then Laldin Singh mentioned electronic vehicles. Maybe in case of Ola now, they are introducing the electric cars. Laldin Singh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. What do you think about electronic vehicle? There is electric cars like that or some other thing?
Yeah, sir. They are possibly the future of vehicles.
Good. So you can see the vision of Laldin Sangha, the traits he is having. And he clearly mentioned that create charging stations for future electric vehicles. Now the Ola already started. I think you might have gone through the newspaper. Different news are coming. More bookings for Ola electric scooter is coming. So the Laldin Singha vision is in the futuristic one. He clearly estimate the demand aspect. What is the demand? How we can go for the demand and how we can utilize the demand. If the Ola is introducing such type of new vehicles, how we can create a business out of that one. That is the vision of Laldin Sangha. It is also another traits. A visionary leader should think about the future. If you are able to gear the demand or forecasting the demand, you are a good entrepreneur. Here Laldin Singha forecasted what will be the future. Nice thing. Melvin mentioned agro-friendly nation. Making once again the sustainability. And he mentioned that in case of sustainability, he is going to make from biodegradable waste. See that one, he is very clear. The world is changing. We are facing environmental threats. So whatever the products, it should reduce the environmental threats and make them to in a global manner. That is his aim. Manasa vision to start a hosted security provider. I think whether it is in online or offline, I don't know. But here, vision is clear. Manasa, are you there? What do you think about security provider? Is this online or in any other security like our online security or offline security? Manasa, unmute yourself, ma.
Yes.
Yes, come on. Okay, some internet issues. No. She mentioned something, in my view, online only. Innovative ideas that strive to protect data privacy. Here also, she clearly identified most of the hacking is going on in internet security, especially the bank frauds are happening. And just 1 week back, some of you know State Bank of India, they used to have a different type of theft in online. So Manasa is having the vision how to overcome that one. She identified a problem and she is ready to give a solution. That is her vision of doing that one. Then Nikshita, nice name, fashion brand. Today we are going to discuss one of the examples from the fashion brand. How the fashion brand is coming. Nikshita, whether you are already engaged in any business?
No, sir, it's just a vague plan.
Okay, good. And she mentioned that virtual influencer. See that one. Thinking power. I have to appreciate Nikshita, how the thinking is coming, virtual influencer. So a new type of fashion brand, she is dreaming about that one. So your dreams are good. That is very important thing. That is the another entrepreneurial traits. You have to dream. That's what our past president Abdul Kalam mentioned. Then she mentioned the loyal consumer base. That is the customer base. How to create a loyalty. The entrepreneurs are thinking in such a manner now. Good. Then our brother Dominic. And Dominic views are based upon the health care. Maybe in the app like Practo or something. Brother Dominic, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. What type of health care? Usually in online or in offline, or
So
you are planning to become a social entrepreneur?
completely offline, sir.
Completely offline, good. So his vision is to become a social entrepreneur. We have to work for the society. That is the vision. Remember that, not the profit making. Even though some of the entrepreneurs mentioned that profit making is essential, but it is not the vision. In case of Flipkart, we discussed, they earn profit, but where they utilize that one, where they put the amount. Even in case of the first case of Dosawala, where they put the amount, it is entirely different. You can see that one. That is why Brother Dominic views are clearly defined. In my view, the healthcare facility means he is aiming for the social entrepreneur to provide a nice facility for that, since we know that one. And you can see that one, he also mentioned that subsidiaries of existing multi-specialty hospitals. So these are all the traits. And he also mentioned that is committed workforce. I like that one. Committed workforce is essential. So dear students, based upon your views itself, you can find out what are the entrepreneurial traits. Of course, few students mentioned, I have selected few. Sanoj is mentioning that ethical hacking. So I think Sanoj is learning ethical hacking to find out clearly how we can provide the data privacy. Maybe for ethics, he is learning ethical hacking. Yes, Sanoj, are you there? What type of business you are going to create after studying ethical hacking, Sanoj?
Still thinking about it, sir.
Still thinking, or still you are having your food?
I already ate, sir.
Okay, good, Sanoj. So Sanoj is thinking. So good, of course. By this time, your thinking capacity should be in such a manner that you can practice all these traits. So dear students, why I have taken so much time to discuss your views? All of you mentioned each and every traits of an entrepreneur. All these are all essential. Only one point is very important. In addition to that one, you as an entrepreneur, you should have a determined mindset. That's what I appreciate the Vignesh. How the Vignesh clearly mentioned his views clearly. Such type of determined views are essential. I hope if you are going for the next step within 5 years or 10 years, you will change your mindset and you will focus on a particular area. And another student mentioned clearly, you have to believe yourself. Let us see the example of the Zia Rahman. I think you might have gone through that one. I already shared that Hindustan Time News. You can see the vision of this Zia Rahman. At present, he is studying in UK. When he is studying in UK itself, he decided to enter into the clothing business in India. I think few of you are also having the same vision to achieve. But he mentioned that he is going to target luxury streetwear in India, not the common man. See that one, his vision is targeted towards the premium people. That's what I post this news to you. You must know this news for the purpose of studying traits as well as what type of new entrepreneur he is. When he is studying in London, that is in UK in Kingston University, he decided to create his own fashion and he decided to move on to the business. And very nice thing about the story is, first itself, he decided to move towards the brand name. I think some of the student from your side also mentioned directly moving towards the brand name. Once upon a time, we used to say that first you have to do the business, then only you have to name yourself, then you can create a brand name for you. But nowadays it is not like that. You can see the Zia, who is an Indian studying in UK in Kingston University, but he directly plans to enter into a brand. He's going to create a brand for his own product, and his target is luxurious person, not the layman. It is also a business. Remember that in the beginning stage, our power of determination should be clear. Whatever it may be the business, you can see he is studying international business. And he mentioned that I am going to introduce a new brand called Fiticity. See that, and what is his answer? Fiticity. He used to create a new brand name, and he is going to be his own fashion designer, and he is targeting the luxury people, but he mentioned street fashion in India. Whether the luxurious person will come down to the street fashion or not, there is a question mark. Some of them answered, but he clearly mentioned everybody is having their own vision. We have to target that one and solve their problems. His determination to achieve is in a different manner. He clearly mentioned he is going to introduce by September 2021. And he already introduced all these things in the Instagram. See that one, he designed some of the street vendor or street type of dresses. And he targeted the luxurious people, and he already created a platform in almost all the social media. I think some of your friends in the social media for him, either in LinkedIn or in Instagram. If you are not there, you can ask Sanoj. Sanoj is the friend for him, for Zia. See that one. That is the new type of entrepreneurs. Today, we are discussing the different type of entrepreneurs, but how far the world is changing. There is no proper classification for him. Why we are going to study the type of entrepreneurship? It is not for the purpose of doing business, but to shape your mindset in such a manner. You should have determined willpower. Which category we have to target, which category we are. Then only we are able to do our business. You can see the example of Zia. He is studying in a particular university. When he is studying, he is having a dream. Our students are also having the dream. Vignesh dream is creating the terrace, and Sanoj's dream is going to be an ethical hacker. See that one, each and every person is having the dream. So how to convert a dream into a real life? That is the purpose you are studying the types of entrepreneur. Once you know who are you, then you are able to succeed. And you can see the answers from the Zia. He clearly mentioned the lockdown gave me a lot of time to go back what I had in my mind for a long time and turn my dream into a reality. See that one, that is essential. How you are going to turn your dream into a reality. First, you must know who are you, who you are going to target. If you know these two things, you are going to be successful entrepreneur. That's what this Zia is saying. Same thing, dear students. Today we are discussing the entrepreneur. First, we have to know under which category we are coming in, then which category the customer will like. If you know these two answers, it is a successful one. That is why you are studying the types of entrepreneur. So after studying the types of entrepreneur, You have to think about that one, whether our business will succeed or not, or to which extent our dream will succeed. How we can convert our dream into a reality. That is the purpose of today's class. That is why I selected the news. So far we have discussed what are all the traits of the entrepreneur, how to convert your traits into a real one, that is dream to reality. For that purpose, we are discussing the different types of entrepreneur. Really speaking, there is no proper classification of entrepreneurs. Each and every person is having their own type. You can see from the answers in the blog itself, we may not know. Each and every person is having a different mindset. You can see here is one of the other interestingly quote this type of classification. Of course, for concept side, this is not the classification. Baves, one of the entrepreneur, they are also in funders and founders. Based upon the hat you are wearing, they are able to say what type of entrepreneurs. This is based upon psychological view. Jack of all entrepreneurs. Whether if you are having a more dream to do number of activities, you are considered as a jack of all entrepreneurs. Lifestyler, the design making. You will mingle with the style making business. I think some of you mentioned clothing business. And Zia is going to introduce in case of India Fidelity City. Lifestyler. And first one you can see hustlerpreneur. A new way of thinking. How you can create a new method. That is the pure entrepreneur in my view. If you are having a new dream to achieve something indifferently with your passion, that is a hustlepreneur. Then deal entrepreneur. You can join hands with somebody and create. If Sanoj is successful in ethical hacking, he may be considered as a deal entrepreneur. Of course, this is not in concept. This is an interesting story to know about your views. Makerpreneur. If you are able to manufacture something differently, and if you are able to sell, that is the makerpreneur. Sluggerpreneur. You will do, but what you are going to do, you never disclose. I think one of our students in her dream she used to mention. Even Ivan Raj used to mention she is going to do, but she is not ready to disclose that one. At present, others will see that Ivan is said to be a sluggerpreneur. But it is not like that. All are going to do something, but they will maintain everything in a secret manner. Suddenly, they will introduce. Same thing, what happened in case of Ola. Nobody thought about Ola and Uber once upon a time. Even still, I remember if you want to travel from MG Road in Bangalore to Shivaji Nagar, once upon a time, during a rainy season, an auto person asked me 500 rupees to travel from MG Road to Shivaji Nagar. See that one. But now, Ola changed everything. Nobody knows how the Ola is going to achieve. Even once, I think 3 years back, there was a severe agitation by the Ola drivers. And the government suspended the Ola for 1 month. Once again, because of the public view, Ola once again came back. They are slugger entrepreneur. Their dream, they won't tell. Suddenly it will appear. Travelpreneur, that is the travel agents. I think some of you are in Kerala, God's own country. I have seen one of the ad, that is Penguin Resorts ad. You can come and swim and stay in the water. I thought, why these people are mentioning, how can we stay in the water like a fish? Then when I gone through the ad, finally they mentioned they are running a boathouse. Travelpreneur, how they used to target, you can see new travel modes are identified nowadays. I think you know, Today, one of the famous person is going to travel to the space. Who is that person? Anybody? Come on.
Jeff Bezos.
Can I say Jeff Bezos?
Yes, good. He is going to travel. Once upon a time, it was a dream. But now suddenly he mentioned that today is the deadline. We have to wait and see. See that one. Taking the risk. He is now considered as a travelpreneur, sidepreneur. It is sidepreneur means he will think about the competitor business. Who is the competitor? How to overcome the competitor suddenly? Usually in case of retail sector, it will be like that. How to overcome the competitor and making them as the entrepreneur. Uber, when it was introduced in India, you know, Uber was the first organization to create the aggregators. But in case of India, it is reverse. Ola only started first. Ola actually created a copycat from Uber. In those days, Uber was running in London, even in case of European countries. But in case of India, Ola first introduced that aggregator concept. Later on only Uber, even though it is going to give the competition now. Like Swiggy and Zomato. Then do good entrepreneurs, sustainable entrepreneurs. What our brother Dominic is saying, social entrepreneur. They are called as do good entrepreneurs. We are going to plan like that. Another student also mentioned sustainability. Do good entrepreneurs. Most of them are thinking in such a manner. Then geekpreneurs. Luxury, and they used to achieve a big target. Geekpreneurs. That means throwing a small fish and catching a big fish. I think you might have studied in management. That is the aim of these type of entrepreneurs. I already told the story of the Kingfisher. How the then boss created a nice story with the help of adventures. Suddenly they may come out with a new idea and capture the entire market. That is the geekpreneurs. Nobody knows there is one business like that. Suddenly they may come, capture. There are a number of examples for that one. Once upon a time, air travel was very costly. If I used to travel from Bangalore to Delhi, I have to pay 25,000 once upon a time. But you know, when Deccan Airlines came into power, but now you can't see the Deccan Airlines. Captain Gopinath from Bangalore suddenly introduced the Deccan Airlines. I still remember when I booked the ticket in Deccan Airlines, it shows just 3,000 rupees. Even by the time everybody were charging 25,000, 26,000 to fly from Bangalore to New Delhi. But suddenly these Deccan Airlines came and they used to charge just 3,000 rupees. They are the first person to know that airlines are cheaper. Flying in air is cheaper. And it attracted a huge crowd. I think there is one movie came based upon the Deccan Airlines Captain Gopinath. Anybody remember that one in Telugu and Tamil? Yes, come on. No person from Andhra Pradesh or nobody from Tamil Nadu. I think it is acted by Surya.
Surya. Surya Rai Potru, sir.
Yes, good. Good. Muthukrishnan is telling something. What is the name? Surarai?
Surarai Potru, sir.
Surarai Potru. Acted by Surya. See that one, Captain Gopinath. But his vision is different. Even a small persons can fly. Today, Vignesh is mentioning that we can create our own vegetables. We can go for a new model of business. Some of them may criticize, but in future it may happen because we are seeing number of skyscrapers in Bangalore where we can find out the vegetables And some of them mentioned we have to enrich the farmers as an Indian. An unknown person still is not ready to disclose his name. I don't know why. They are the Greekpreneurs making a transformation. In my view, they are called as the transformation leaders. Even the Facebook. Nobody thought that there is a social media is going to come. Every friends can link together. Suddenly Zuckerberg created. And he faced number of problems, but there is the existence called Facebook. The first social media came into existence. Transformational leaders. Then incubatorpreneurs. They may think for creating some new ideas. They are ready to sell the ideas. It may be a scientific one or even the social one. Here also some of the students clearly mentioned the restaurant we are going to design a new type of restaurants. This idea is in an incubation stage. How they are going to bring that idea in a different manner. In case of first time in Singapore, they used to mention that you can come and dine in under the sea. Even in case of Amsterdam, if you have visited that place, you might have seen under the sea. How it is possible to go to under the sea and have a dinner? They made it possible. Only thing, for long years, it was under the incubation stage. Suddenly, they created a new technology. The technology enables to create an underwater dining room. In Amsterdam, they created under the sea a dining restaurant. You can dine inside the restaurant and see the fishes are going here and there. Now you are having your food. You can have the food in under the sea, in Mediterranean Sea. And in case of Dubai, I think it is coming on. I think somebody is from UAE. Andrews, where you are now? I don't know whether it has been completed or not. I think one more girl is also from there. You can see their idea is different, but they are hiring the technology. How